In the next episode, the conflict will move from the Orpain of to Hakan business empire when the company board votes to remove him from control. The public scandal, the closure of the children home, and the growing tension inside the family will convince the board head Hakan can no longer protect the company. Sibna will appear to support him, but she will secretly negotiate with several board members so that the family trust passes into her hand. Hakan will discover the betrayal too late, understand that Sibnam is willing to sacrifice him to preserve him her own authority. Aras will have no interest in their corporate war until a lawyer arrives at the children camp with an old property deed. According to the document, the land under the Orpain was donated years ago by a company founded by Aras' mother. If the debt is genuine, Sibna may have never the legal power to close or sell the building. According to the document, the land under the Orpain was donated years ago by a company founded by Aras' mother. If the debt is genuine, Sibna may never have had the legal power to close or sell the building. Layla will use Aras to use the discovery immediately, but the lawyer warned that the signature have been challenged and the original registry page is missing. Tumam will overhear this and remember seeing the company name on document Hakan office. Instead of helping openly, he will offer the information in exchange for Aras staying away from Layla. Aras will refuse the bargain, saying the children's future cannot trade for another person's feeling. Their argument will become hatred, but Dennis will interrupt and tell Tuman that love obtained through pressure is not love. Hurt by her word, Tuman will decide to find the registry alone. He will enter the company archive during the board meeting and discover that the relevant file were removed on the same day he was adopted. This strange timing will make him suspected that the Orpain property and his identity are part of the same cover-up. Meanwhile, Hakan will lose the board note and be ordered to leave his office. As they walk out, Aras will comfort him with a copy of the deed. Hakan will admit that Aras' mother has established the Orpain because she feared something might happen to her son. He will also reveal that the property was meant to transfer to both boys when they became adults. This means location damage is not only an emotional search, it could determine ownership of land worth a fortune.